Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ziyanda Nkunjana. A very warm welcome to all the new subscribers and to all the oldie but the goodies. What it do, Billy gang? Welcome to another video. This is a get ready with me where we're gonna be doing makeup, hair, and outfit check, cause you know what. And this one is sponsored by Tinashe Hair. A huge shout out to Tinashe Hair for trusting me with this unit. This came 2 days ago, and it also came with a duster bag. There's some goodies in this duster bag, and I'm going to quickly unbox them for you guys. First is 2 wig caps, a bonnet, like a turquoise blue bonnet, a headband, and last but not least, they are mink eyelashes, which I'm gonna wear with this look today. And that's all that comes in the duster bag. And in the box is the star of the show. In it comes in like this, and there's a card. It just says Tinashe Hair always provides top quality hair with best customer service, which is really true. And inside there's the hair care instructions and when they started, and all the details, how to brush the hair, how to wash it, how to take care of it daily, which is really amazing. And then the wig, this is an 18-inch curly wig, 5x5 lace front wig. I already pre-washed it because you're supposed to wash it. So, but when I washed it, I just like dipped it in water with conditioner and shampoo, just to get that brand newness out, and that's all I did. And I'm going to install this wig in this video. I'm gonna keep looking on the side because I have a mirror here, and so that I can see if I'm doing the right thing. And I'm going to be going through I asked my girlfriends on the internet, the Jitas. I asked the Jitas if they've ever been dumped, and they had so much to say. And to be quite honest, girls, and I asked on Instagram and Facebook and my WhatsApp, I was like, girls, have you ever been dumped? If yes, what happened? Cool, gay girls, but yes, some of the girls were like, yes, we have been dumped, we have, and yeah, you know, I'm just going through those curls with my hands just to release them a bit before I put it on. So the girls were like, yes, we have been dumped, and I asked them, Majitas, why? What happened, you know? And how they were dumped and stuff is hectic. But Shem, what I love the most is that they were just like, oh, sweetie, you know what? We keep it moving because it be like that sometimes. Good stuff. So the first person said, so they dumped her. So the guy was like, and then she was like, what? And then he was just like, no, but pay little hand. Have you ever heard of that? To be honest, it's ghetto that we really like men, okay? So to bleach your knots, if you don't want to have to go through the admin of, to bleach your knots, if you don't want to have to go through the admin of actually bleaching them, you can use foundation or concealer. And I'm going to use some foundation. You guys, the hair is so soft. Oh my god, it feels so good. It's so, look at that quality, child. What is that quality saying? Come on. Now I just need to find the very center. Here. Now the gluing process, since now we've found the center, the middle part. I'm a middle part girl. If you like a side parting, sweetie, go for it. I'm also gonna try side parting, just that as a first time, because this is my first curly wig. So I just want to, and I know with center parting, that's my thing, but I've never tried side parting. So I'll try side parting next, and see how I will like it. But for now, let us. So let's right? So now we're going to do our face while we wait for the unsafe. I love this hair. So I'm gonna do my face while I wait for the glue. Okay, so for my eyebrows, I use the Essence. I think I've mentioned this before. I use the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the color number 2 Hot Chocolate, and then I conceal my eyebrows with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. And then for the gel down, I use the Carrot Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I got this at Chinatown. And then I finish off with my foundation. This is a new foundation. It's not my first time using it. It's the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm gonna do pink eyeshadow because I'm going to be wearing a pink outfit. And I'm using the MAC Sample Powder blush. It's actually blush, but I use it as so the second, I even forgot that I was doing the answers from my question. So the second breakup story was, okay, wait, I need to read. So this girl says she was dating this guy, and then he randomly said to her his feelings went out the window. And then she was just like, she started questioning, and he was like, his body and mind aren't in the relationship anymore. Ooh, you know what, nah? As Jitas, it's ghetto that we attracted to men, because there's no way. There's literally no way. And then the other story, this girl, they were together for 2 years, and he just ghosted her until today. Never heard from him, nothing. You're in a relationship with a person for 2 years, and then I was about to and then jiggy gone. Hey wait, guys, I love this brush so much because it blends. I got this brush at Clicks. I'm lying at this game. To conceal so that I can put on some foundation. I actually changed foundations because I bought the foundation. I used to use the LA Girl, and then the issue now with that is I tried it on at the store. We tested and stuff, but it was I think it was during level 4, and it was hard to get to test because during that time they didn't have like a system of how they were gonna get their clients to test foundation and stuff without it being risky in terms of COVID-19 and stuff. So I tested it and it was fine on my skin. But then when I got home, I realized that I actually got the wrong foundation. And I still regret it. But it was like, I think it's like a shade lighter, but it oxidizes. But now the issue is on camera, it still looks light, like super light, which is pretty boring. So I ordered a foundation on Take A Lot, and it's this one, and I've used it before, but I was never crazy about it. It's good and stuff, but I just love illegal. But this one is in the perfect shade. I like it. Because the last time I used this foundation, I think I used, you know what, I have bad luck with foundation because I remember now that even when I used to use this one, it was not the right shade. Okay, we definitely need another layer. Done with the foundation. I love it. It's very light, so it's for like if you're a person that likes to cake up on, if you want like that, because I do you know how I tell if a foundation is lightweight is if when I'm putting it on and it doesn't cover this fully, I just know that it's lightweight, which is I'm not mad about because it is what it is. And then we are gonna count out. So the next breakup story is this girl says that he broke up with her on her birthday, right? And it was just like, oh no, he found out that his ex was pregnant, and the ex was like, if they don't get back together, he should abort the baby. So he had to break up with Majita. So sure. So she was like, okay, cool, that's fine. And apparently this was like her first boyfriend, so she was really terrified. So cool, they broke up. A few months later, they find out that the baby was not even his. And I was just like, I love that. It's like, I love a good karma. Like, he came back a few months, like when he found out that the baby was not his, he came back and tried to get back with the girl. And the cheetah was like, please. And I was just like, yes, sweetie. I like, don't allow these niggas to come in and out of your lives. Like, this is not their mother's houses. They can't just rock up and think that you'll always let them in. And that's the problem. I think with guys, like, the minute they realize that they'll always have like that hold over you, they'll always use it. Anyway, the next one was, I saw pictures on Facebook, Sikatsiki, and that was it. I really don't know. What would you do? Okay, I'm not gonna wear powder. Actually, I'm not gonna powder my face. What would you do? She saw on Facebook, and that was it. And so I asked her, so did you try? Did you try? So I asked her, I'm like, sweetie, did you try and speak to this gent and ask him? And then when I moved on with my life. And I was like, yo, self-worth. And gay self-worth, girls, it's good and it's not. It's good, but it's not vibes. But I love the hair so much. Like, this is my first curly wig and I'm loving. I was worried because I have a round face that it would just not look okay, but it's perfect. And the length is perfect. I didn't expect 18-inch to be this long. So that is very surprising. Instead of water, I use this mousse because also this mousse says it helps to give like shine to your hair. And that's what I made because I had washed it yesterday. So I needed it to shine, baby. So this is how the wig turned out. I am absolutely in love. Like, I love it so much. It's giving me like rich bee vibes. I love it. So this is, as I said in the beginning of the video, it's an 18-inch curly wig. I'm going to leave all the details to Tinashe Hair's websites, Instagram pages, Facebook, Twitter. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box. So if you want to shop this hair, you can go ahead, or any hair for that matter, you can go ahead and do so. So because we're doing breakup stories from a girls, I have 2 more left. He dumped me and I begged him to take me back, and then I dumped him after. And I was like, sweetie, I like that for you. That is the one. And the last one said he sent his boy to do it. Lol, now I'm busy with the boy. My only lead. I know my leader. I don't know about you guys, but I know my leader. and my leader is the lost girl. To answer the question, no, I have never been in that situation because I've been with one person and I did the dumping, and number two, I'm not I know we always say that, oh no, you're young, you're in your 20s, just date, what. I'm not subscribed to all of that. Like, I'm not about it because I don't think I have the emotional intelligence to handle all of the stress that comes with dating different people all the time. I don't have time. And number two, men are boring. Men are not even that interesting, honestly. I'm joking. Okay, but they really aren't. So, no, I haven't experienced, no, oh my God. But anyway, guys, this is how I look. And if you love this look, comment down below with pink hearts, okay? Pink hearts in the comment. Please spam my comment section with pink hearts, actually, because this hair from Tinashe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on my channel, share my content, and I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. Hopefully this is a beginning of many more hair collaborations, more collaborations. This is actually my second collaboration on my channel, so that's pretty exciting, but my first hair collaboration, so which is really amazing. I'm really grateful. Thank you guys for supporting me, because I don't think I would be here if you guys weren't supporting me and if you weren't sharing my content. So I'm really grateful. See you guys on my next one. Bye.